Surgeons use a scalpel when they operate. They could use any sharp object, but a scalpel provides the needed precision. It's a similar choice between trenchers and excavators, but which one you should choose or buy depends on several factors. In this video, we discuss the difference between trenchers and excavators and how to decide which is best for the job at hand. Trenchers. Trenchers remove soil in a single continuous movement. They can dig uniform trenches quickly. Unlike an excavator, a trencher produces ready-to-use backfill, and the backfill can be deposited right alongside of the trencher. A work crew can follow behind and doze the backfill right into the trench after piping or other material is deposited. The types of trenchers. There are several different types of trenchers, including chain trenchers. Chain trenchers are best for cutting through hard soil. It's kind of like a really big chainsaw. This type of trencher is used for narrow and deep trenches and a good choice for burying utility lines. The Brave Pro BRPT trencher digs a 3-inch wide, 18-inch deep trench and runs on a Honda motor. Wheel trenchers. Wheel trenchers, sometimes called rock wheels, are mounted on rubber tires. They have steel teeth that can cut through hard soil. Eagle Trenchers has several models available that can dig trenches from 4 to 9 feet deep. Micro trenchers. Micro trenchers excavate narrow trenches, typically 1 to 5 inches wide with depths not exceeding 20 inches. They make digging trenches in urban areas easier. Micro trenchers can be remotely controlled, which makes it possible to access utilities under roads. Ditch Witch's MT12 micro trencher can readily cut through asphalt. Portable trenchers. Portable trenchers are also known as walk-behind trenchers. At about 200 pounds, they're fairly easy to haul around from site to site, and they're a good choice for irrigation lines or burying coaxial cables, especially in tight spaces. That's why they're a good option for digging in residential areas that tend to have less space to move around. Toro's TRX-20 is a walk-behind trencher on tracks instead of wheels. The best jobs for trenchers. Utility work. Trenchers are used by utility companies to install wires, pipes, and cables underground. They're also used to remove those items from the ground or for maintenance and repair. Lot clearing. Trenchers can sever tree roots to help clear a lot in preparation for building. Some trenchers feature a built-in blade designed specifically for this purpose. Shoveling dirt. A walk-behind trencher can be used for small landscaping projects to dig down about 3 to 4 feet. It saves time and sweat compared to using a manual shovel. Irrigation. Trenchers make installation of a sprinkler system a lot easier. Some landscapers use them to build French drains. Cutting hard surfaces. A wheel trencher can create straight trenches through rock, cement, or pavement. High-precision trenches. Trenchers are the best option when straight, uniform trenches are required. The bottom line? Trenchers are far superior to excavators when accuracy and uniformity are required. A trencher can handle multiple steps in one pass. Unlike excavators, they can create backfill that can be used immediately. Trenchers are perfect for smaller DIY projects where using a manual shovel is just too time-consuming or backbreaking. Now, before we continue, be sure to crush the like button and subscribe to E&C to receive more heavy equipment guides. We do appreciate your support. Excavators. An excavator consists of a bucket, arm, and rotating cab that sits atop movable tracks. The use of attachments makes excavators very versatile machines that can handle a wide variety of jobs. This gives an excavator a clear advantage over a trencher in many situations. Excavators for trenching. You have some options for digging trenches with an excavator, including mini excavators. A 4,000 to 6,000 pound mini excavator can dig a trench about 10 feet deep. For a trench up to 14 feet deep, choose a 10 to 12,000 pound machine. Bonus: a mini excavator can be transported with a truck and an appropriately rated tow hitch. V-shaped bucket. A V-shaped bucket will give you a trench that's narrow on the bottom and a little wider up the sides. Leading Edge Attachments V-Raptor is a ripper bucket combination to dig trenches in rock or other challenging soil. Trenching bucket. There's a variety of trenching buckets available for your excavator. Craig Manufacturing has several models, including their EXB HD Heavy Duty and EXB HD QF Quick Fill trenching buckets. Micro trenching bucket. Rhinox sells a micro trenching bucket that's a great solution for utility companies. It can dig a trench in considerably less time than a standard bucket. Trencher attachment. Solaris Attachments has several trencher attachments for excavators up to 10 tons in weight. They can dig trenches up to 5 feet deep and 14 inches wide. The integral auger piles spill to the side of the machine. Best jobs for excavators. You can handle nearly any type of trenching job with an excavator equipped with the right bucket or attachment. The trencher attachment gets you close to a dedicated trenching machine. For small jobs, especially for do-it-yourselfers, a trencher may be the easiest and least expensive choice. Bottom line, an excavator is the right choice when you need to dig trenches greater than a foot wide and deeper than about 5 feet. They are great multitaskers. You can dig trenches and then switch out attachments for other types of work right on the same job site. Excavators can handle a wide variety of soil types. Wrap up. For the most versatility, using a mini excavator or excavator attachment is a good solution for many trenching jobs. However, a dedicated trencher is best when precision trenches are required. Trenchers also make sense for small jobs and DIY projects. We always recommend talking with your local equipment dealer to ensure you're selecting the right equipment for your trenching job. We'd like to thank our sponsor for this video, MB Crusher. For over 20 years, MB has been offering the largest line of patented crusher buckets and accessories for excavators and skid loaders and backhoes of all sizes. Stay tuned for more heavy equipment guides. Also, you can view our complete list of guides at eandcmag.com. That's eandcmag.com.